The 2022 Triumph Tiger 1200 has been launched in India as the brand's flagship adventure motorcycle. The new Tiger 1200 is available in 2 variants and 4 trims, with prices starting at 19,90,000 rupees for the GT Pro version, going up to 21,69,000 rupees for the top spec Rally Explorer variant. All prices are ex-showroom India. The Tiger 1200 draws power from the new 1160cc inline 3-cylinder engine. The flagship Tiger gets 49mm Showa USD front forks and a semi-active monoshock unit at the rear. The GT Pro and GT Explorer versions get 200mm of suspension travel, while the Rally and Rally Explorer variants get longer 220mm of suspension travel. Braking performance comes from Brembo's Stylemar units. Compared to its predecessor, the new Tiger 1200 is about 25 kg lighter and has received a new chassis to make the model more dynamic on and off-road. It also gets a host of electronic aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, a blind spot radar system, and lane change assist feature, along with adjustable seat height. The new Triumph Tiger 1200 competes with the Ducati Multistrada V4 and the BMW R1250 GS in the segment. Kia India has announced that the new EV6 electric crossover will be launched on the 2nd of June 2022. Pre-bookings for the new EV6 will begin on the 26th of May and deliveries are slated to begin soon after the launch. The Kia EV6 will arrive in India as a completely built unit, and only 100 units have been allocated for the Indian market to be sold in 2022. The new electric offering is expected to be available with both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive variants, with power coming from a 77.4 kWh battery pack. The rear-wheel drive EV6 promises a range of 528 km on a single charge, while the all-wheel drive version will be more performance-oriented with 320 bhp and 605 Nm of peak torque on offer. It will have a range of 425 km on a single charge. The new EV6 is expected to be priced around 50 to 60 lakh rupees depending on the variant. Skoda Auto India is planning to replace the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system on the Slavia with a smaller unit according to recent speculations. According to some dealerships carandbike spoke to, the 10-inch infotainment screen on the sedan will be replaced with a smaller 8-inch unit on the higher variants. The new screen is reportedly being sourced from Panasonic and is being done to circumvent the ongoing semiconductor chip shortage. Skoda is also going to give the Slavia its first price hike since its launch, and the quantum is expected to be up to 50,000 rupees depending on the variant. Carandbike has reached out to Skoda for an official confirmation and will update the story as and when the company responds. Make sure to head to carandbike.com for all the latest developments.
Extremely sexy design, cutting-edge technology, and the very latest and most progressive vehicles. That and more is what you get on Car and Bike. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.